so today I'm going to show you how to change the inner tube of this wheel on my bike. So let's get to it. So, alright, let's get to it. So this, I guess it's first time using it, so I'm not really... Okay, let's do this. Like that.
Like that and like this.
And then you just like, place it in.
Another one.
Another one.
Another set right here.
Alright, it's good bone. Wait. It's so hard. Grr. Wait, wrong way. It's gotta go in the wheel. The rim.
And then you move from there.
Oh yeah, you just put it around.
Yeah, put it around.
Just keep doing it as you go around. Okay, yeah. What the heck? Just get it in and kaboom! And it's another. Get this thing in. Gotta get that part. This part. I wanted that in. And just flip it.
Okay, you already get halfway like this. You can take this one up.
Oh, my nose is itching.
You can do that way.
Oh.
See?
Oh
That's
yeah.
why they have a groove right here.
Oh yeah.
Right here.
The part's called
And then you
a slice.
See?
Yep. Like
That's
that.
good.
Alright.
Keep pushing it that way.
So you just slice it, like it's not actually slicing the tire, just make it along so it's gonna get off.
See? This already come up. See?
Okay.
Now you need to put this one inside the wheel.
Okay. And let's just do.
But before you put it, I need you to take the pump.
Pumper. Here we go. All right, guys. So we need a pump. So let's do it. Oh wait.
Pause. I don't know.
How to pause?
There's a ribbon. Hold on, I'll be back. Hey, all right, hey guys, welcome back. So I doubted my brother's, I don't know. So anyways, difficulties, I'm back. I'm going to deal with this inner tube. So let's get to it. All right, so what is this? Wait, I think it's flipped, so it's supposed to be out.
Remove the cap.
The cap.
The tube cap.
Oh, this. Hopefully this don't break. Happened a couple times. Just make sure it's just me. No, it has to be like everyone.
Everything?
Like the whole thing.
It can't. It's like...
You need to pump it 1/10 of the capacity.
1/10. So you have to pump this for 10 of a capacity, I guess. What is this? Alright, I guess so. That done.
Okay.
Wow.
This one again.
Alright, remove this guy. So my friends and oh, what was that? Okay, now where's the cap? Okay.
Yes. When the cap comes last, you need to put it inside right here.
That is the inner tube. The part has to go inside the tire, like
And
inside.
you see the hole right here?
Oh yeah, I see.
That's when the valve has to go.
Alright.
Wanna get it wet or you do?
Okay, I'll try. Oh wait. Sorry guys, so
You have to be like this.
oh, flip my face. Guys, this is my first time, so I don't really.
Okay, Daddy help you.
Okay, let's get to it.
You put it inside right here. Right?
Yeah,
Make sure the tube, this one.
the part it has to
This
stick
is not
out.
soft. It's good have
Kaboom!
kaboom. Just go right here.
And then the rest part,
And the rest part, you have
they
to put it
go in. It's currently nighttime, so posted the next day, I guess. Don't even want to recording this. Just put this. Focus on the record, like focus on what's going on, so it won't ruin. What the heck? What is it? Hopefully I don't ruin it. 'Cause get this in. All right, now it's in.
Now you have to put it back
All right.
the opposite way.
Okay.
You can this part you can use your hand. Always go with this part first when the valve, okay?
Okay.
And you push.
Yeah, pushing it in is kind of good. Gets in, like.
Got it?
Yeah.
Got it?
I'm gonna try.
Yeah, using the tools if it's getting hard.
Do you want me to show you?
No, I just showed it. Make sure. Bro, I thought it went in and it's just sticking out. For the tools.
When you take it out that way, if you put it back, that's mean the other face.
Okay.
And when you take it out, you do it that way, right?
Yeah.
That way, right?
Oof, this flip.
That way. That's when you put it back, that's mean this way.
Oh, I got it now. Oh. Just try your best. I'm not always the best.
When you're still able to use your hand, just push it like that.
Oh, okay.
See? Watch. Like this, use both hands. The other one hand over here, the other hand right here.
Okay. This part is hard over here.
Be careful. That way, not that way.
Oh, yes.
See? Got it?
What the heck?
See? And always make sure this is keep that one straight, okay? So you can move it a little bit this way.
I wonder why that tube keeps tilted so I cannot pump stuff.
See? This part is getting hard, right?
Oh, yeah.
When it's getting hard, you have to use your tube. The other side. No, I mean, no. When you take it off that side, that's when you put it back that way. Push. And you gotta make sure you don't pinch your inner tube. You can feel it when you do like this with the other one.
It's just something don't get it.
Where's the other two? You have two.
Oh, yeah. No.
Okay. See, if you go direct to this side, it's too hard. You put from the side right here. See, like this,
Okay.
and then you from this side, not not too far. Yeah, that way. Go. Good.
Oh,
And then you leave it. When you put this side right here, you leave the one. You take this one,
same
and the
process.
same process the other one.
It's in.
That's it. You good? That's it. Let's take it out. You done?
Done.
And now you pump your tires.
Okay, now guys, so let's pump the tires. All right, so let's get to it. Put it in. Fire in the hole. Okay. Fire in the hole. Hopefully it's in enough.
Emang dia udah boleh gitu kan? Udah boleh lepas ya?
Okay. Wow, that's hard.
Let it come.
Till laser done. Might want to do the same thing to the other one, because the other one is a bit like softer. Thank you.
Just keep this one until you're really done. Make sure you don't use this one. Just leave it over here.
Alright, in.
No, you put that.
So guys, you put it back on the oh shit. Pause it. So this will be it for my tutorial on showing you how to put the inner tube and pumping tires and make the bike ready to roll. So goodbye and see you later.